There's a quote which says, if you're a lover, you gotta be a fighter. Because if you don't fight for your love, what kind of love is it even? Real love, the kind of love I'm talking about, my kind of love, is a decision. It is a stand that you take when everything around you is trying to pull you apart. Do you stay when it gets hard? Do you fight when there's nothing left to hold except a feeling that refuses to leave? You don't fall in love because it's convenient. You fall because something inside you says, this is it. This is home. And I say it out of first-hand experience that love won't always come in easy packaging. It won't always make sense. It won't always fit into rules, morals, timelines, society. But you can't just love someone. You have to become someone who's worthy of receiving it. You have to show up, do the work, burn your old ghosts. Wait for that person, even if it takes weeks, months, years. You gotta build a version of yourself you both could be proud of. You gotta fall, make amends, ask for chances, and rise again. Life will test you. It makes you earn what's real. And love will ask for your whole being. And you do it because the only thing that matters to you is the person on the other end. There's a Harvard study, 80 plus years long, and it tracked what made life meaningful. It wasn't success, it wasn't wealth, it wasn't achievement, it was connection. It was love. Someone to come home to, someone to belong to, someone you can call mine. And maybe one day when it's the end of times, when I sit in front of God, He would ask me this, the only question that matters, written by Krishna Chandra. अपनी जिंदगी में तुमने क्या किया? किसी से सच्चे दिल से प्यार किया? किसी दोस्त को नेक सलाह दी? किसी दुश्मन के बेटे को मोहब्बत की नजर से देखा? जहां अंधेरा था और रोशनी की किरण ले गए? जितनी देर जिए, उस जीने का मतलब क्या था? And in that moment, I want to say a big, burning, unwavering yes, that I didn't just survive this life, I met it. I didn't let silences steal what I believed in. I loved truly, I fought fully, and I never let love go unfulfilled or unlived.